Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Today I am making coconut candy. Look at this golden delicious goodness. It is quite easy to make. There are so many versions out there, but I'm going to show you how to make it. In case you love to make it and you don't know how to make it, I'm going to show you how it is done. When you travel around the world, you will notice that coconut candy is a common snack we all share. It is very sweet and very easy to make with just few ingredients. So I'll be using coconut chunks, sugar and salt. So this is store-bought, so it doesn't have the skin. I'm just gonna slice it like this. There are so many ways to shred the coconut. This is how we do it traditionally. I grew up cutting coconut like this. If you have fresh coconut, you could use fresh coconuts. This is frozen. So I'm gonna show you how to use the grater too. You could still grate it with a grater. It's also an easy and very effective way to do it. If this was a fresh coconut, it would have been very easy to use the grater, but because this has already thawed out, it is soft, slippery. So I'm going to show you another way to do it in case you are using a frozen coconut. I use my blender. You don't have to add any water, just blend it and it looks as if it was grated. But there's one thing about coconut, frozen coconut, it has a lot of fluid, just the way it is when any fruits defrost. You know, it has a lot of fluid buildup. I don't understand the chemistry, but yeah, so I'm gonna squeeze it out. If you are using fresh coconut, you don't have to do this. You can skip this part, but because this is frozen, it has a lot of fluid. I'll squeeze out the fluid, but this is just if your coconut was frozen. If it's fresh coconut, you don't need to do this. You could also use coconut flakes, dried ones, store-bought. It works too. So when I'm done squeezing out the fluid from the coconut flakes, I'll just spread it out, let it air dry while I dissolve the sugar. To dissolve the sugar, I'm going to spread 1 cup of sugar in a pan and turn on the heat to medium heat and let it start melting gradually. It's going to take a while, just let it sit and it's going to dissolve. I'm not going to touch it until I've noticed it has started dissolving, just like this. Then sometimes I help it because I don't want it to burn. It is sugar, it burns easily, so I'll just help it to dissolve properly. Once in a while I will just move it around in case one part is dissolving very fast, so that everything will dissolve uniformly. Let me use this time to welcome those that are new to my channel. Welcome. Please subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell. That's the only way you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. And also a special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. You are amazing. God bless you. It has properly dissolved. I'm just gonna sprinkle in a pinch of salt. Salt balances sugar. That's why people add salt to sugar. So I'm gonna add the coconut flakes gradually and mix. It is easier when you do so. So I'm gonna be adding until all of them are properly combined. I'm using 4 cups of coconut flakes and a cup of sugar and a pinch of salt. After adding the last batch of the coconut flakes, I will continue to cook it until it is very sticky, the way sugar is sticky when it is really done. So I'm gonna be cooking it for a while until there's no more moisture in it. It's gonna look stickier. As you can see, it is looking very different. It is sticky now, so I'm gonna take it off the heat. See, I'm gonna spread it out to cool down because it is very hot. Melted sugar can burn, so I'll spread it out and let it cool down a little bit before I start handling it. Do not forget to wash your hands properly before you start molding your coconut candy into shape. So it's a little bit hot, so just press it like this and set it aside. It will continue to cool. So I'm going to continue like this till I'm done. So if you have watched the video, you are still watching the video to this point, please do not forget to subscribe. If you have not, like the video, share it, invite your friends. Thank you and God bless you. Subscription is free, you know that. The importance of subscribing to my channel is that you will never have to look for my channel, and second, it's gonna help my channel grow. Thank you. So we are finally done. Look at those delicious goodness, those beauties. So I have two types of coconut candy. This one that we just made is the chewy one. It is very chewy. It's chewy. It is easier for you to eat. The other one on the left side of your screen is crunchier. I used 1.5 cups of sugar and 4 cups of coconut flakes. You can see it is very hard, not easy to break. Let me try another one. See, very hard. If you like very hard coconut candy, use more sugar. So this is coconut candy for you. Wasn't that easy? Very delicious coconut candy. I want you guys to give this recipe a try. It is very easy, very delicious. You will not be disappointed. Of course, I don't have to tell you how much kids love coconut candy. So I put them in this fancy bag for my kids to take to school, and their classmates will be drooling. Oh God, it's so delicious and pretty. So I just give them like that to take to school. Look at this golden beauty. Give it a try. You will never be disappointed. So thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed. Till I see you next time. I love you. Bye.